Assalamu alaikum. Our topic today is group discussion. Group discussion. Group discussion. What is meant by group discussion? What is meant by group discussion? What is meant by group discussion? Group means where there are two or more than two participants. Participants can be students, they can be uneducated youth, they can be employers, and they have to discuss upon what they have to discuss upon a specific topic. Upon a specific topic they have to discuss, but you have to remember here that in case of group discussion, the observers, they does not see their language, they does not check their information, they does not check their IQ, they check the behavior of the participants, behavior. How they will behave. The way they will behave. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is group discussion among so many participants, both male as well as female. There should not be difference on the basis of sex. All are equal. I can say that there was a legend that males are superior, but males are not superior. I can say that males are inferior than females. Whatever we have seen in the practical in the society, females come toppers. Isn't it clear? Is it clear? Yes. This is group discussion. You can see yourself. This is group discussion. Yes. This is also group discussion. This is also group discussion. This is also group discussion. But can you say me what is the difference between this group discussion and this group discussion? These participants are different. That doesn't matter. But what is difference between this and this one? What is difference? What is difference? What is difference between that one and this one? Participants are different. That is secondary question. That I don't want to identify on the basis of that. What is difference? They are discussing in very smiling mood. They are not fighting with each other. They are not quarreling with each other. Is it clear? These one, they are quarreling with each other. In short, you have to remember that the discussion should be like this one, in very smiling mood. You have not to quarrel with each other. You have not to fight with each other. If the topic may be controversial also, for example, I can say that females are superior to the males. Males have not to fight. They have to defend themselves. They have to defend. They have to argue. Argument. That is, they have to call with the words. They have to defend themselves. Is it clear? And in very smiling mood. Not. Can you got me? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, 1 second. Yes. As mostly you use the acronym of the words, for example, computer, you say C means calculation, O means operation. Is it? That is not necessary. Education. In the same way, group discussion, what is meant by group discussion? Alphabetically. But it is not given by the God. You can change it. That is, G means generating ideas. You have to generate the ideas. New ideas. R means review policies and plans. In group discussion, what we do, we make new policies and new programs. We make a discussion upon a policy, upon a program. Is it clear? Huh. O means organizing teams, tasks. In group discussion, I already told you that there are the teams. There are so many participants. They have to organize that. They have to organize that task. As it is known to you that the main benefit of education, I always say you modification. There should be difference between you and uneducated people. Is it clear? That is teamwork. Understanding perspectives. You have to understand the perspectives of one another. One will say that this is good, another will say this is bad, but he has to elaborate, he has to explain, or she has to explain how. Is it clear? Any doubt? P means problem solving. Group discussion helps us in the solution of some problems. For example, there are so many problems, social problems, political problems, other problems. If we want to get their solution, we can make the group discussion. The people will discuss and they will come upon the conclusion. Are you able to understand? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
I means information exchange. You have to exchange your information. You have to exchange your information. I already told you that how we get the knowledge, how we get the information. I have not bring the knowledge in the podcast. No. We exchange our thoughts, ideas, views, feelings, emotions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Thoughts, ideas, views, feelings, emotions, exchange. That is. As strategic planning, there should be proper planning, not haphazard. Not in haphazard manner, in proper planning. See, conflict resolution. If there will be any conflict among society, between two persons, we have to resolve that with the help of good listening. Unity among people, it makes us united, because there is Iqbal's verse. एक ही सफ़े में खड़े हैं महमूद और अयाज, न कोई बंदा रहा न कोई बंदा नवाज. यानी कि in case of group discussion, there may be so many people, both without any difference on the basis of caste, color, and creed. They will discuss about the special issue. As means studying case. Sometimes we study some cases. How we will get a solution of this? As means socializing people. It is noted that man is a social animal. He is animal. According to science, man is animal, but at the top, social animal. Interaction with each other. We are dependent upon each other. I means in instruction, we have to instruct each other. O means oneness of the group participants. The participants should be one. There should not be the conflict with them, each other. Negotiation, and means negotiation. They have to negotiate that what now we will do. This is the chronology of this. Group discussion. I already told you, in this form of communication, it is a type of communication. Communication, I told you that where we express our views, ideas, thoughts. In this form of communication, a particular number of the people meet face to face. Is it clear to you? That in the platform, face to face, and through free oral interaction, they make the oral interaction, not writing, speaking. Originate, share, discuss ideas. What they do, I already told you, share their ideas. To arrive at a decision or solution of the problem. Why they share their ideas? What is the motto? I already told you that everything has its own value, own scope. Its scope is that they want to make the solution of some problem. For example, there is a problem that there should not be co-education. For example, or women should not be given the education. Women will discuss, no, we are equal. We are par with boys. Why there is difference? Or, for example, we say that the poor. For example, somebody has told someone what we will do, how we will help on the poors, that what we will do in our country. There are so many poors. He told that we have to kill all the poors and all will become rich. Is there solution?
No, sir.
Is there solution? No. That is, you have to defend what I want to say. Group discussions are widely used in many organizations for discussion making and problem solving. Huh? They are also used as a personality test. I already told you. Actually, group discussion is used for personality test. What is meant by personality? What is meant by personality? You have seen that Miss World and Miss Universe. Personality doesn't matter physical, no. You have seen the Miss Universe and Miss World, they are black. Most of them are black. That doesn't mean that they are Miss Universe. Personality means aura. In short, I can say that personality means adjustment with the society. You have to adjust yourself according to situation. You have to change yourself, like the Chimlan, like the Gigat. That when, for example, there is good party, there you have to, you can smile, you can laugh. If there is somebody has died somewhere, there can you laugh? There you have to be in that mood. That is, you have to adjust yourself in the society. That is what. They help to shortlist candidates for final interview. You have a remember. I always say you that in these days, it is said that most of the people doesn't get education. They doesn't get job even after good education, good qualification. You may have seen that there are PhDs, doctorates, MA, BA people in your society, in your neighborhood, but they are unemployed, aren't they? There are matric fail, 12th fails candidates, some who are working in the private sector. They are using the tribe and other things, and they are earning more and more. Because there should be a confidence. It is said that Darwin, what Darwin said? Sarvala fittest. Sarvala, that is applied in this age. Sarvala fittest. There are opportunities. Is she feeling well? She can leave. You check her. इसको चेक करो क्या बात है. इसके साथ कोई और कोई निकल सकेगा? Anybody can leave with me? Huh? What is not with that? Gula, what I want to say that Darwin is Sarvala fittest. There are opportunities. You have seen that there are so many APs. There are so many doctors. There are opportunities, but only fittest people survive. You have to fit yourself. How you will fit yourself in the society? Remember one thing. Always cast for moon. ख्यालात बुलंद होनी चाहिए. If you will fall, don't worry, you will fall among stars. अगर आप रहेंगे सर हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम कब पास होंगे, आपने हमें क्या ग्रुप डिस्कशन, हमें इसके साथ क्या है, यानी कि ये नहीं. आप कहें आपको दिमाग में ये रखना है हमें IAS केस करना है. Those who do the IAS case, they are also humans. They have 2 eyes, they have 2 ears, they have 2 arms. They are humans like us. Now somebody among you may say, sir, they are rich, they have money, I am poor. How much poor you are? How much poor? Are you poor than one person whose example I can give you? There was a person who was a coolie at the railway station. Coolie! From the beginning, it is true. From the very beginning, he has studied in the distance mood, private, from the first year. And he has qualified IAS. He has qualified IAS. How? He was not going to college or school. He was using the phone in proper way. He was always using the earphone and he was watching the different lectures upon the YouTube. And he was able to qualify IAS. So always cast phone. That is, select the students for admission to professional courses. This is what I want to say. That if you want to go for professional courses, MBA, MCA, tourism, in other courses, there you have to face this group discussion. Without this, they will not allow you. And in the jobs also, for good jobs, for IAS, for KAS, there is also group discussion. Because they check your personality. And in future, in coming future, it will become mandatory for all as there was the interview. It will become like that. Group discussion is the part of the selection process. I already told you that they check your personality, they check your communication skills, they check your knowledge, they check your ability to work as a team. Ability to work as a team. They check this. Are you able to do this or not? These are group discussion evaluation criteria. Then on the basis of what they evaluate, they check your knowledge, they check your reading, awareness, originality, creative, awareness, judgment. In communication skills, they check these things. In group behavior, they check these things. In interpersonal, they check these things. You can take it a screenshot also. I already told you that group discussion, thought process, it is thought. You have to think about it. Topic knowledge, there is the knowledge, there should be the knowledge about the topic, which will be given to you upon the discussion. There they check the communication skills and leadership impact. I already told you this is attitude. Topics. Types of group discussion topics. Upon these topics, it has been performed. Number one, abstract topics. Abstract. For example, you are CM for one day. What will you do? Make a group discussion. For example, you are bored. You are bored. And these days in Kashmir, there is the winter and there is coldness. Now you have to fly to another country where there is warm. How you will fly and what you will do there. Abstract. Is it clear? Is it clear? For example, business and economic topics. Business. Inflation, deflation, if you will come, what we will do? They are going to probably you. Social issues, for example, co-education, for example, smoking. These are social issues. How we will prevent them? These days, drugs, drug abuse, or dowry system. Current affairs, for example, these days there is COVID. You have to make the discussion about the COVID. How we will save ourselves from the COVID. How COVID has impacted upon the education. Is it clear? Is it clear? These are, I already told you, leadership, communication, interpersonal. Mistakes, fluency, here they check these things, decision making, content, analytical, enthusiasm. This is also listening. Body language is compulsory. Body language is compulsory in case of group discussion. They check how you will feel, how you will. I already told you in the first, these two pictures. One group was calling, another group was in very smiling mood. Body language is compulsory. Behavior, teamwork, listening skills. There should be. You have to listen to others also. There are some people who doesn't listen to others. They always speak. No, that is not good. One should have the tolerance to listen to others also. That is how this is performed. Number one, first of all, there are sit-ups. Topic announcement. That make a group discussion about this topic. Second, preparation time. You are given some minutes. You will discuss with each other that what we will do. Number third, lead here means leader. The discussion followed by other participants. And there is a hadith that if there are two persons, one should be the leader. In the same way, in case of group discussion, there should be one leader. Otherwise, there will be hazardness. Judgment of the individual performance. There are judges who make the judgment of the people individually. That who has participated in a good way. GD summarization. Then they make it summary, conclusion. Skills required. Leadership skills, interpersonal skills, conversing power, presentation skills, listening skills, I already told you. Very important. What do you have to do in the group discussion? I always say it is not only for group discussion, it is for all the education. How you will get education? I always say that I have not bring the education in my pockets. No. Or you will not get education. There should be two-way traffic. Two-way traffic. I always say that education, educare, I share, educator. Educate means I have told and you say yes, yes, yes. I share means to draw out. Because I already told you that there is specific factor in everybody. And educate them to train. We have to train you. How you will be able to train? I already said you that the kids of your home, the children of your home, how they get the information, how they get the knowledge when they pose the questions. What is this? Why is this? Who is this? They pose the question. These questions you have to pose everywhere in education. And the same is here in case of group discussion. What is this? Who is this? Where has it happened? Why has it happened? Why has it happened? How has it happened? These should be the questions. You have to revolve around this. This is already I told you. What is group discussion? I have already told you. What are the types uses? 1 second. Uses of group discussion. You can take this screenshot after this because the time is. Or what are kindest? What are kindest? Bas. Social or political issues where we can discuss the social or political issues. Factual, I already told you, for example, COVID. And case study, you can also do the case study about something. Is it true or is it false? For example, mostly it is said, it was said that boys are superior to girls. But now we will make the case study, we will make see it practical. Are they superior or not? Point is to remember. Since communication is two-way process, I always say to you that communication should be two-way. It should not be one way. These things. Language of the group discussion. This is very compulsory. You have to remember them. The language. Which language you will use. How you will use the language. This is compulsory. This is pinpointed by the observers. They observe these things. The language. Here are some expressions you can perform functions in group discussion. Expressing opinion. If you have to say your something, you can say, I believe this. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है. Yeah, could I make a point, please? Or it seems to me. Expressing agreement. अगर आप उनसे agree हो गए, what you say? Absolutely. I fully agree with you. Expressing disagreement. If you will not agree with this group, I am afraid I don't agree with you. I can see your point, but I think, in my opinion, you are right. I am sorry, but I see it is a little differently. You may have something, but there. Suggestion. If you have to give your own suggestion, I think we should. Let us. Don't you think we could? Asking for opinion. If you will say somebody that can I give my opinion. What is your opinion on? I wonder, what do you think about interpreting? If you would, but you have to remember that don't interrupt. But sometimes you have to interrupt it, for example, but always try to give others time also. Interrupting, but you say, I am sorry to interrupt, but excuse me, could I add something please? That is true, sorry, but language of a group discussion, I told you, handling interruption is just a moment, please. If you would just let me finish, could I finish what I am saying? Could you wait for a minute, please? Yani very humble language. Conclude. To summarize, conclude. Let us run quickly through the main idea before concluding the decision. We can conclude by saying, and this you have to do also with all questions. Questions should be concluded. Is it clear? Is it clear to you or not? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Any doubt? No, sir. If anybody, is it clear? Be loud. Be loud. Is it clear? Yes, sir. If anybody have any doubt, then you can say But one thing, that practical.